We explore the top unsolved mysteries that have enthralled the scientific community and the general public in this video. From the origins of life on Earth to the nature of consciousness, these puzzling issues reflect the borders of human knowledge, inviting us to push the limits of our understanding and explore the unknown. As you start on this exciting trip through modern science's most interesting riddles, examine the problems and opportunities that these topics bring to researchers, innovators, and thinkers alike. Let's begin today's video. Number 1. The core of the Earth. Earth's inner core has its own inner core, a massive ball of metal 400 miles in diameter. Following their initial theories about this enigmatic body in 2002, experts have repeatedly demonstrated its existence. Previously, it was considered that our planet was made up of 4 layers: crust, mantle, outer, and inner core. Though not much is known about it, scientists can now add the innermost core to that list. To learn more, scientists are investigating the ripples resulting from major earthquakes. These seismic waves dart along Earth's diameter, ping-ponging to and forth, sometimes as many as 5 times. By examining the distortion of waves as they travel through the planet's core, scientists can obtain a glimpse of the planet's innermost inner core. Number 2. Where did all the water come from? Water is everywhere. It gives Earth the moniker the blue planet because water covers 70% of its surface. However, from where did it come from? Given that it is hardly present on the other planets of our solar system, why do you think it is so prevalent on Earth? The majority of scientists think that Earth was a hard, arid planet when it originated around 4.5 billion years ago. According to the most widely accepted scientific explanation, the water came in the form of multiple massive asteroids that were packed with ice. Another theory proposes that water has existed since Earth's formation, and that the forming Earth retained it from the cloud of gas and dust that formed the solar system. Whatever the case, Earth's living forms have undoubtedly benefited from it. This is one of the most baffling unsolved mysteries about the universe. Next up, at number 3, how did the moon form? Scientists don't know how the Earth formed its partner in orbit. Many believe the moon formed as a result of a collision between the Earth and a somewhat smaller protoplanet. However, samples from Apollo flights have revealed that the moon's chemical composition is quite similar to that of Earth. This shows that the moon was not a separate body. Instead, it originated from a portion of the Earth itself. An alternative hypothesis suggests that the moon originated as a separate object that was drawn into Earth's orbit, offering the most compelling explanation for why only one side of the moon faces us. Number 4. What really happened to the dinosaurs? For millions of years, they were the unchallenged rulers of the prehistoric world, but today, they are only the subject of museum interest and movie spectacle. How did these enormous creatures meet their demise 65 million years ago? There are 2 popular theories. One suggests that Earth was impacted by a massive asteroid. The other theory proposes that a sequence of catastrophic volcanic eruptions caused it. In either case, though, the result would have been fairly the same. Dust and debris would have blocked out the sun, hurting life-giving processes like photosynthesis. The Earth's temperature would have also risen dramatically due to all of the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Both the asteroid and volcanic activity hypotheses are supported by important scientific findings. Moving on to number 5. How did the Siberian craters form? These craters are among the most strange and recent geological wonders on Earth. These enormous gaping holes, which are situated on the Yamal and Gaidan peninsulas in Russia, were found in 2014 and haven't stopped changing since. They've become bigger and more numerous, and there are plenty of ideas as to why they appeared. People have proposed everything from a meteor collision to infamous aliens. The most common explanation suggests that they come from bubbles of methane gas bursting as the Siberian permafrost heats up, but this may not actually be the case. Number 6. Hidden zone uncovered beneath tectonic plates. A hidden region of partly molten rock lurks beneath the tectonic plates. According to University of Texas experts, the elusive zone was discovered during a 2023 asthenosphere investigation. This recently discovered layer is approximately 100 miles below the surface and is a component of the upper mantle. Its discovery provides fresh insight into the mantle's internal operations. It is known to scientists that the asthenosphere functions as a kind of soft border between the tectonic plates and the upper mantle. However, nothing is known about how that border functions precisely. This new research indicates that heat and rock convection in the mantle have a major effect on plate motion and not melt, as previously thought. Number 7. What about all the oxygen? Another factor that has proven quite beneficial to the species that live on Earth is the planet's oxygen. And we know how it started about 2.4 billion years ago. Microscopic animals called cyanobacteria emitted oxygen as a waste product, filling the atmosphere with it. However, what happened over the next several millennia is less apparent. Following that, the level of oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere fluctuated dramatically until it stabilized around 540 million years ago. It has stayed about at the breathable level we experience now ever since. However, why did it suddenly stabilize is one of the greatest unsolved scientific riddles about our home planet. Finally, our home planet, Earth, is full of countless mysteries and surprises. Our globe still has a lot for humans to learn and discover, from the enormous oceans to the magnificent mountains. Even though explorers and scientists have made amazing discoveries over the ages, some mysteries remain to puzzle us. So, what are your thoughts on today's video? Remember to leave all of those in the space provided for comments below.